Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, we're back in the IND studio, and today we have a frozen deep gray metallic G99 M5 Touring here. G99 M5 Touring with Silverstone interior. Being a completely stock car, we're gonna go over what we think is the best route to start modding your car. We're big fans of going OEM Plus for a simple and clean look, not considering our G87 M2 that we recently just finished. We did go a little bit over the top with that car. Starting on my left, we have Eventuri intakes, we have Megachip's new splash guards, our IND painted Roundels, and of course, we're doing all three reflectors. We have the painted front and side arch reflectors, as well as the rear Acexxons. And to bring some volume out of the car, we're going to be installing the rear muffler from Eisenmann. With everything unboxed and laid out, let's go over what we'll be installing today. Starting with Eventuri, finished in a matte clear and all together, which results in bringing the turbo noise to life so you can really hear the intakes. Moving on to the reflectors and roundels, our painted IND reflectors in a paint matched to the frozen deep gray metallic, which already include the 3M backing. All you have to do is peel and install them. And for the very back of the car, we have the Acexxon in the horizontal finish. We have our painted roundels, which get rid of the chrome bezel around the edge. Next up is Megachip's carbon splash guards, just for the G99 Touring, as well as G90 sedan. I believe they're going to be coming out with the carbon ones for other models as well. The cool part is that these are slightly adjustable and do feature a little bit of protection to the side of the car, not just to the lower portion of it. And last but not least is Eisenmann's signature twin flow rear muffler, which features their carbon tips in a gloss finish. And with all the parts unboxed and ready to go, the car is clean and on the lift. Let's start throwing them on. That wraps it up for this touring. As you can see, it all looks great. Everything went on really smoothly. The matte intakes matching the frozen paint really well. And our front and rear reflectors that are paint matched makes it look like how the car should have came from factory, as well as the rear Acexxon cleaning up the back end. And then you have the Eisenmann rear exhaust with the gloss carbon tips, bringing the car to life with some more volume. With it all installed, let's get it outside, let's get a better look and get some more content. And as always, if there's anything else you want to see, let us know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.